So I am at work and they're having their 50th anniversary of this marketing agency, and right next door to my parking garage. Let's see what it's talking about, or let's see what they're doing. You hear that music? It is live down there. Let's see what's really going on. This is the 5th floor. The band's in the corner. Let's see if I can go and see a better view. Okay, now we're on the 6th level. Let's see what the view looks like. This big building is the marketing agency. It's been built and it's been 50 years and they're celebrating it. It's pretty live. The city life. Richmond. Ooh, if I can just get over there. Impossible to sit down and watch everybody, but I wish I knew somebody there. Maybe they can give me something to eat, maybe? I can't see the band from here, but you can pretty much see everything else. I wish I could zoom in, but Richmond, VA. Hey, so today's Thursday, October 8th, because I get paid tomorrow, which is the 9th. Quick update. I got a blister on my finger. Yes, this is blown the fuck up from cooking oil. So that happened. And